admit ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Everything correct. Good afternoon. We are starting the program now. CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai welcomes you to today's program on Tiger. This is in continuation of the celebration of International Tiger Day on July 29. As you all know, India's national animal is tiger. Tigers are a standout amongst the most delightful creatures on planet Earth. Tigers have been evoked in writing, adages and plays for their grand quality and magnificence. We are starting the program with a small poem on tiger. Tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. Tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? This majestic species undoubtedly fascinates every eye it meets. The tiger's beauty was its death sentence. Once upon a time, it roamed all over India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Rajasthan to Assam. There were special tiger reserves in ancient India called Vyalvana. 80,000 tigers were slaughtered by the British and the Indian Maharajas between 1875 and 1925. There were an estimated 40,000 tigers in 1947 during India's independence. This number has come down drastically to 1,827 in 1972. The dwindling number of tigers led to the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Project Tiger was launched to save tigers in 1973. Today, an estimated 2,967 tigers only are left in India. Why should we save the tiger? Few people will understand the importance of the tiger. The tiger is extremely important to human well-being. Ecological role. The tiger is the apex predator. This means that it is not preyed upon in the wild and is usually at the end of the food chain. Tigers play an important ecological role by removing weak and old prey animals. The tiger population declines due to habitat loss and poaching. Prey populations can increase unchecked, leading to an overall decline in the health of the ecosystem. If we can maintain healthy tiger populations, we can ensure the conservation of entire ecosystems and all species contained therein. When we save the tiger and its natural habitat, we save the catchment areas of our rivers and thus ensure our water supply. Thus, tiger conservation helps secure our food and water security. We will see some of the physical characteristics of a tiger. A tiger is 4 meters, that's about 13 feet in length, and weighs around 300 kgs. It has an orange coat with stripes that vary from brown to grey to black. Its skin beneath the thick coat is also striped. Tigers have 5 retractable claws, 80 to 100 millimeter length, to hold their prey, to mark their territory, and also to climb trees. The tail is 3 to 4 feet long and is used to balance when the animal runs fast. Breeding. The average litter size of the tiger is 2 or 3 cubs. Tiger cubs are born blind and weigh only 1 kilogram. They live on mother's milk for 6 to 8 weeks. They begin making their own kills at about 18 months of age. Young tigers leave their mother's range between 1.5 to 3 years of age. Diet of tigers. Tigers are strict carnivorous. They feed on large-sized prey such as deer, buffalo, and boar, and sometimes monkeys and baby elephants. They can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat at one time. They are nocturnal animals and hunt at night. They use the dense forest to hide and sneak up on their prey. Population and distribution. Tigers used to be widespread in Asia from the Caucasus and the Caspian Sea to Siberia and Indonesia. In the 19th century, they were wiped out of Western Asia and the Eastern Europe. Today, they are found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Russian Far East and China. Tiger subspecies are Siberian, Amur tigers, Royal Bengal tigers, Indo-Chinese tigers, South China tigers, Sumatran tigers, Malayan tigers. We are going to see some of these subspecies which got extinct. Balinese tiger, Javan tiger, Caspian or Persian tiger. There are about 5,000 tigers living in terrible conditions in private zoos in the USA. There are over 6,000 tigers living in tiger farms in China, where they are killed for their skin and body parts. What do the tigers need to survive? Space. Each adult tiger needs a large, undisturbed landscape with ample prey to raise their young, while the female lives in a smaller area referred to as her home range. The male patrols a larger area, generally called a territory. A territory may encompass the range of as many as 5 to 7 females. Prey. Tigers tend to hunt once every 4 to 5 days. The diet mainly consists of large mammals such as deer, wild boar, buffalo, and gaur. Smaller mammals and birds are occasional prey for tiger. Tigers are also known to eat birds, crocodiles, and fish, although ungulates are their favorites. A tiger, on an average, needs 50 deer-sized animals to eat each year. Water consumption by tigers. Tigers never live too far from water, particularly in the tropics. Ponds, lakes, and rivers often offer a welcome break from the heat. Unlike other big cats that tend to avoid water, the tiger actively seeks water holes. Dense vegetation cover. Tigers are solitary hunters, stalking and then pouncing on their prey in a blind flash. A thick green cover is essential for this hunting technique to work. Threats to the tiger. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Poaching and illegal trade in tiger body parts, which are used in traditional Chinese medicine. Poaching is a big menace in India. Tigers are especially vulnerable because tiger skin is in huge demand in the international black market. Tiger claws and other parts are also in demand. Most of the remains end up in China. Tiger conservation in India. Project Tiger. The government passed the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 for the protection and preservation of different species of flora and fauna. Launched by the Indira Gandhi government in 1973, from the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. In 1973, the Project Tiger was launched to increase the population of the tiger in India. In the initial years, there were only 9 tiger reserves in India. At present, there are 50 reserves located in 18 tiger range states of India. At present, only 2% of the country's area is covered under the project. Project Tiger objectives and working methodology to reduce factors that cause the diminishing of tiger habitats and to manage them, to ensure a viable tiger population for scientific, ecological, economic, aesthetic, and cultural values. The administrating body for the project is the National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA. The NTCA was formed in 2005 as per the recommendations of the Tiger Task Force. The project also conducts tiger census in the country. It also combats poaching. The project is in the process of creating a national database of individual tigers with photos so that seized body parts or dead tigers can be traced. The project is working towards eliminating all human activities from the core areas. In the buffer areas, it is working towards minimizing tiger-human conflicts. Legal provisions to protect the tiger. Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act 1992, Customs Act 1962, Tiger Crime Bureau. International initiatives to protect tiger. Conservation on international trade of endangered species of wild fauna and flora, CITES. Tiger Global Conservation Strategy. International Tiger Coalition. Tigers play a very significant role in developing India's cultural and natural heritage. The tiger is closely associated with many ancient cultures of the world, especially in Asia. It is the national animal of India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bengal tiger, Malaysia, Malayan tiger, North Korea and South Korea, Siberian tiger. Tiger is revered as the protector of the forest. It symbolizes power and beauty. The tiger is closely associated with several gods and goddesses of the Hindu pantheon. Goddess Durga is depicted riding a tiger. While Durga is the destroyer of evil, her tiger mount represents power and immortality. The tiger is also associated with Lord Ayyappan of Shabarimala. The planet Rahu also rides a tiger. The Warli tribe of Maharashtra worship Wagya, or the Lord of Tigers. In Karnataka, the tiger is worshipped as Bettaraya in inland districts and as Huliraya in many sacred groves of the Western Ghats. In Sundarbans, West Bengal, goddess Ban Bibi rides the tiger and is worshipped by Hindus and Muslims. We thank you all. Ecological balance is essential to all life on earth. The balance of nature is severely upset when a species becomes extinct or its population declines, as it severely disturbs the food chain and food web. To sustain the ecological balance, save the tiger and its ecosystem. On this International Tiger Day, we have a message. The tiger has a right to live. We thank you all on behalf of the CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai. Please unmute. Participants, please unmute. Yeah, you can all talk to us. Miss Kanagi Madam.
Sir,
எப்படி மேடம் இருந்தது? How did you enjoy it?
நிச்சயமா, ஏன்னா இட் இஸ் ரெஃப்ரெஷிங் ஒன். நம்ம முன்ன ரொம்ப நாளா அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருந்தோம். இப்ப வந்து ரீசன்ட் டேட்டா எல்லாமே சொல்லிருக்கீங்க.
ஆமா மேடம்.
குவைட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங், எக்ஸலென்ட். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. உங்க இது இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் மட்டும் ஒரு நட்ஷெல்ல பாஸ் ஆன் பண்ணா கூட நல்லா இருக்கும்.
You send an email to cprec@gmail.com.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Very nice. Excellent.
Dr. Srinivasan, sir. Dr. Srinivasan, sir. Good evening, sir. Dr. Srinivasan.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
how was the presentation? Facts, sir.
Hello, sir. How was the program?
Facts. All the facts was very nice, sir, and the presentation was super, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching this. Yeah.